This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, Westin home on oversized corner lot in cul-de-sac. Signature 2-story Westin entrance with wrought iron staircase. Formal dining features laminate wood flooring, chair rail, and butler's pantry leading to kitchen. Open family room with high ceilings, laminate wood flooring, and fireplace. Gourmet kitchen with breakfast bar, granite countertops, decorative backsplash, and large island. Huge master bedroom with bay windows, laminate wood floors and tray ceilings. Master bathroom features stand-alone shower, Whirlpool tub, separate sink areas, and 2 closets. One of the master closets has door leading to laundry room. Great size secondary bedrooms upstairs, game room, and full bathroom. Custom pergola outside, extended stamped concrete patio, and plenty of room for entertaining on this oversized lot. If all that was not enough, there are no back neighbors. In highly sought-after Katy ISD schools, close to shopping, and main freeways. You won't want to miss this one. For more information,